Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we are second year engineering students of Zeal College of Engineering Pune from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Under the project based learning, myself Siddhi Gurav and my teammates Manish Gadve, Jagruti Gade, Mrunal Ghate and Manoj Guzare have made a project Automate WhatsApp using Python. We are thoroughly guided by Professor Aman Kamble. WhatsApp automation using Python. Have you ever wished to automatically wish your friends on their birthdays or send a set of messages to your friends automatically at a preset time or by sending thousands of random texts on WhatsApp? Install Python, VS Code and Pivot Kit if you haven't already. Now let's dive in. Open PyCharm and create a new project. Give your new project a name. Google Pivot Kit. Copy the pivot installation link. You will see the link where the red arrow is pointed in the image below. Click on it and the link will be copied. Back in VS Code, remember you have opened VS Code. Click on the terminal at the bottom left in PyCharm. Paste the Pivot Kit installation link you copied inside the terminal and press enter. It will take some minutes before the Pivot Kit will install. Note, inside the bracket, write the phone number with the bracket. Write the phone number with the international code of the country you want to send the automated message. Then write your message. Now write the time you want the message to be delivered. The time here uses the 24 hours clock. So instead of writing 100 for 1 pm, do write it as 1300. At the time you had set, WhatsApp will automatically open in the browser you use in accessing WhatsApp. The message you wrote will appear instead the text box and send it automatically after 20 seconds.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.